Welcome back to the Roadside Adventure Club. Today we're on the quest, another quest. What are you having? Looks like you were wanking. Today we are on the pursuit of a car graveyard that's meant to be a proper Bobby Dazzler.
Oh, it's from some guys called Matthew.
Some guys?
Guy called
There's
Matthew.
a few guys called Matthew.
Where's the other card?
I'll put it back in. I'll put it in the thing. And booted. And if you want to look at bag reviews, head over to Kurt Roberts' channel.
Take your fucking time now.
I'm trying, for fuck's sake. Yeah. That bag's beaten.
This bag has been with me since we started. I was brought as a present. Did you just pick that?
Yeah.
Do you know it's illegal to pick poppies?
Fuck off.
Not in it.
It's illegal to pick poppies. It's not a poppy.
It's
I
think you find it is.
There's one over there too. It's not a poppy. Fucked it.
Don't fucking like.
You don't want your fucking
get away.
That's disgusting.
God, I remember getting bollocks for picking poppies when I was a kid.
I can remember getting beaten by a copper for beating.
I can remember getting beaten by a copper's dick. He had a copper dick. Fucking killed. Are they geese?
Can't figure it out. This episode is sponsored by Peach Coca-Cola.
Now I want you to say, big floppy donkey dick.
Now.
Success. The child doesn't want to swear.
So after walking for about 35 minutes, we think we're finally getting somewhere.
It's like an ongoing joke, isn't it?
No.
Oh, no. He sent us this on email.
eBay?
Not an email.
Yeah.
So, like, we do actually read our emails. So, if you do have anywhere that you think we should go, send us an email.
Uptheho.com. There's a water tower in there. Because Tracy's got one outside her house exactly the same.
Might be a walking tower.
There it is. We could go and see that. It looks abandoned. This is cool. I'm digging this. I'm liking it.
Oh yes. Oh yeah. Bit delayed, but ow! I missed that. Oh, he's moody when he's hungry. Oh, look at that room. It's proper decayed.
Proper.
This is like Uncharted. This is the water tower.
I don't think we'll be able to get into the water tower. In all fairness. Is that a light switch? Look at that bad boy. You seen that? Alright, scumbag.
Oh yeah, look.
Does it look like we can get in? Back.
Go back.
It's like a fucking farm bit.
Is this going to be one of those that looks cool from the outside?
Looks like it, Lloyd, it looks like it. I mean, look at this. Literally in the middle of nowhere. Come on, you'd be curious as well. There's just some places that are too fucked. It'd make a cool house, like if you go to the inside of it and like you put some windows in.
Oh, you mean the tower would make a good house? Oh, fucking hell. Shit. Where's Al?
Is this what you said was really special?
No, it's inside. Yeah, look at that. Oh shit, there's the Rover SD1 again. This looks cool. That's fucking the racing car. Why are they always in graveyards though?
Because they always conk out. That's a doorway. It's a bee.
Is it a bee? I thought it were a bloody drone.
There's a door there.
I don't think this is. There's got a bit. There'll be another way in. Shit. I've just got to come off. Yeah. Okay. Is it? Yeah. No, it's padlocked.
Fuck. So, recap, sit rep. The other side of these two barns, where the cars are, is a house, like literally just over the road, over there. And every time you go a bit too close, the dogs run up to the fence and start barking. So we're trying not to cause too much attention to ourselves while we try and figure out how to get in. There's cars littered everywhere. Ow, bastard! I keep getting stung. There ain't no cars in here. There's a shitload of fucking arcade games though. A shitload.
Alright.
This might end in tears.